got video on there?
Mm-hmm.
Best idea.
Yes.
Pick up some of this talk.
Yes. Just hold it, don't touch, just hold it and see if you can get me on the video. You don't have to do anything, just so that I'm in the video.
That's alright.
Yeah,
that's you there.
Yeah.
And that's the waterfall behind you. You know, yeah. And we're turning that. Well, we're going across the lake now, aren't we? There's nothing much else to have behind you, I'm afraid. We're on the boat, obviously. There's the cabin. I don't know if there's anything else. We'll get you coming up. There's a waterfall on that side. And then we've got a village over there. We're not turning round, are we? There. Okay, is that right? You want to see that when you run it back?
Yes, that's